Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys Poco phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you how to fix talkback. So friend, how to fix talkback problem on phone. Today friends I am going to show you. Friend, first of all you will have to use guys any two finger, but guys you two finger, because guys one finger you cannot operate your Poco phone and friends any Android phone. So how to fix talkback problem. Friends, first we will scroll with two finger, and when your phone screen is off, so friends first again let's see how to on it. Friends, use your two finger, draw your pattern friends, and guys you can unlock your phone like that. And when scroll it, phone setting, one tap and double tap here friends. One tap guys any setting, and guys scroll with two finger. Friends, click on additional setting, one tap on additional setting friends, and friends double tap here. And friends, click on your accessibility setting, double tap here friends. Friends, click on vision setting and double tap, and friends direct you can swipe also with two finger, but guys you can on with double tap also. Friends, click on talkback, and friends double tap here. Use talkback setting friends, one tap on talkback, and friends continue two tap here. Stop button friends tap here, and yes now you will double tap here, your talkback problem will fix. So a double tap here, talkback with talkback, oh sorry friends, talkback will fix on Poco phone device. So friends, you can fix your talkback like that on your Poco phone device on your Android phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to fix talkback problem on Poco mobile. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video. Before going, please go and like the video and subscribe the channel guys.